It was the mother of all blizzards, according to many Omaha natives. We're talking about a January snowstorm back in 1975. You may remember all of this mess you see behind me. Well, this weekend marked the 40th anniversary of that blizzard. The amount, 11 to 16 inches. But the worst part, the timing. It caught many people off guard. During the drive home that Friday, the wind gusted to 50 miles an hour at times, creating drifts that brought several cars to a complete halt. Many people, like Marty Masek, just left their cars there and started walking.
Finally, just before it started getting dark, I decided to get out and walk, and
you abandoned your vehicle?
Abandoned, yep.
You didn't have any other choice?
No choice.
That Friday night, some people were rescued from their vehicles by the National Guard. On Saturday, everywhere you looked, people were stranded and wrecked vehicles.